Are you?
Hi, hello.
Hello.
I'm doing great. And you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking.
And I'm Shubham, and I'm from Rajasthan, the states of India, and I'm a mechanical engineer. Apart from, I teach mathematics as well.
Oh, cool. That's nice.
So yeah, actually, what's your name?
My name is Cassandra.
Okay, Cassandra. I saw your profile, and I saw you like to read books. So
Yes.
you also actually, I'm a good reader as well. I like to read books. So my question is, what kind of books do you like to read?
So, my favorite is the Harry Potter series.
Okay. You know,
I'm a huge Harry Potter fan.
yeah, actually, I'm too. And everybody, during my childhood, I used to read Harry Potter series books.
Oh, good. And you like them a lot?
And I like to read, particularly, I'm fan of Polo books. My first book was The Alchemist. Yeah,
Which one?
The Alchemist.
Okay, I haven't read that one.
Oh my
What's
God,
it about?
it's a bestseller book in across the world. You should read. You
Okay.
are it's an amazing book, and it's about a shepherd boy who is seek to a traveling in across the world, and especially he goes to Egypt. That's a
Oh,
really awesome.
cool.
It's quite fascinating when you read the book.
Okay,
And
I'll have
you know
to.
The Alchemist.
The Alchemist.
Yeah,
Alchemist. Okay.
yeah.
I'm going to put that in my messages so I remember.
Okay.
Is it the Alchemist? Thank you so
Follow.
much. Yes, that
So
works.
this Portuguese, he's a Portuguese author, and he used to read a book, write a book, particularly a girls. I have read a book, at least five books so far. The amazing books is The Alchemy. The first book was amazing, and the other books, like Veronica decided to die, and second 11 minutes. It's totally about the women. It's what is the perspective about a woman in across the man, and
Very interesting. Yeah, I'll look up this book. I wanted to, so there's a movie that I love a lot. It's called Under the Tuscan Sun. It's a movie, but I've never read the book and I've been wanting for a long time to read the book.
okay, okay. So
Do you know it?
no, I don't know. So
Okay.
I would like to ask you, so what kind of books do you read? I mean, it's a fictions.
So
Like,
I like fantasy books
okay,
a
and
lot.
as you said, Harry Potter series.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Kind of like
I
Harry Potter.
yeah. During lockdown, I read a lot of books. The Rich Dad Poor Dad, and the thriller series is The Devotional Suspect Ads. That kind of book I read during the lockdown. I love to read a book. So whenever I came on cambly, I see who's the person is like to read a books. Then I can conversation with them.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. I
Okay.
also I also like I also love books that also have movies because I like to read the book first and then see how the movie looks. So I read all the Hunger Games,
Okay.
uh
I heard that. Yeah.
and the like Divergent series. I've read those. Um I'm looking at my books right now because a lot of my books are in storage. I've read like, the other Harry Potter kind of books like Fantastic Beasts and
Yeah.
stuff. I read
Yeah.
the play. The have you read the book The Cursed Child? It's a screenwriting.
It's a Harry Potter cut style. Yeah, I heard that,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
yeah, I will read the book. You know, I wanted to read the book, but during the lockdown, it's totally shut down. That's why I was not able to buy this book. But I will read. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. You should read it. It to me, it's a little bit disappointing in a way because it's not written by J.K. Rowling's.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
written by someone else, but she gave like approval, like
Yeah.
she kind of was the consultant, like saying, yes, that's okay, yeah, you can put that, type of thing.
So, do you
But
read
it's
the?
still good.
Yes. Do you read the Dan Brown books? Dan Brown is like Infern. Dan Brown.
No, I haven't heard of the books.
Yeah, yeah. Have you watched the movie Inferno?
Okay, I
Yeah,
have
this is
heard
the
of
author of.
Infernal, but I haven't seen it. I haven't seen Inferno.
And you know, it's Inferno also is a movie. Is the main protagonist is in this movie is I don't know, I forget his name, but he is a very good actor in Hollywood.
Oh
And
yeah?
he always plays the role of Infern is a Dan Brown books.
Okay.
Yeah,
I haven't seen Inferno and I haven't read the books, but another book series that I've gotten into is like they're like a murder mystery
yeah, yeah.
and they're fun.
Yeah, I
My
read.
mom got me into it.
You know, I read a couple of days ago. I completed the book of the devotion of suspect X, the Japanese author. That was an amazing book. You know, you will read.
And do
That's
you
what was
also
in the devotion of suspect X. This is a Japanese author. I forget his suspect X. It's about a woman, and it's about woman and the one person who is fall in love with, and there's a thriller series you will read. It's a murder mystery.
Oh, neat. Yeah, murder mystery.
Yeah,
And they're interesting.
yeah.
Do you like movies as well?
Yeah, I like movies as well. Yeah, definitely.
And TV shows? Do you watch
You
TV
know,
shows?
yeah, yeah. Actually, a couple of days back, I mean, I'm mechanical engineer. When I was doing my engine degree, I didn't have a time. Had to study a lot. But yeah, during before ever since the lockdown before, I started watching movies and TV series. Is Game of Thrones, particularly Game of Thrones. You know what? In
Everybody has seen that. I haven't seen
Oh
it.
my God, seriously.
Yeah. Everybody has seen it.
You know,
And like
everyone is a big fan, is huge fan of it's a TV Game of Thrones. But I totally shocked. You know,
yeah,
you
yeah.
made me amazed.
Yeah. So it's something I'm gonna have to start to watch because everybody tells me I need to watch
You
it, but
should, you
like I've
should,
been hesitant.
you should.
Well, I've been hesitant. I should, but it's sad. I heard it's sad.
I
And it's like the fact that I know that it's sad, I'm like, oh, I don't want to cry.
So, what kind of TV series do you like to watch? You know, you are not didn't watch a Game of Thrones. So it means you are not into TV series. I mean,
No, I love like fantasy shows. I like sci-fi shows. I know that Game of Thrones would be a show that I'm sure I'd love it. I'm sure. Like I know I would love it because I like those types of shows. I've
yeah,
watched like medieval shows like Merlin and Atlantis
uh,
and
yeah.
they're all like kind of medieval or like ancient
Ancient,
type of
yes,
setting.
yeah, yeah. I also like it. You know, a couple of days back, one series like a Game of Thrones is coming in India. It's about a vampire, that kind of things. I also like it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You know,
I watched. I read all the. Of course, I read all the Twilight books.
you are supposed to watch this movie. Yeah, there's amazing TV series. I mean, you should read.
Yeah,
You know,
I'll check it out
yeah.
for sure. I will. And right now, like the shows that I'm watching right now, are I watch. I've never seen not a single episode of Friends. Okay,
Okay.
now I've seen every single like I watched all the seasons within 2 months.
Oh,
I just back to back to back like binging on
okay, okay,
Friends.
okay. You know, I watched the Game of Thrones series in during the lockdown. At least two seasons. I watched that, and that was awesome. You know, it was. You should read. You are supposed to watch that. Is Game of Thrones. You will like it.
Okay, I
Definitely.
will watch it.
Yeah.
Definitely. I need to get over the fact that I might cry,
Okay. So,
but
yeah. So I would like to ask you one thing about TV shows. So what TV show do you like all the time in your life, and you would like to recommend it me? I should watch. I mean,
So if you like Game of Thrones,
Yeah.
and I'm thinking this is going to be kind of similar in a way, but not completely similar because it's a totally different story.
Okay.
If you have Netflix, The Medici's Masters of Florence is a great show,
Okay.
series.
Okay.
It's a short series, and there's only 3 seasons, but it's so good. I love it. It's called I'm just going to spell it, Medici Masters of Florence.
Fast and Furious. Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah. It's about the Medici family dynasty. They were like the power. They were almost kings, okay, of the
Yeah.
Renaissance
You know.
and in
Yeah, I
Florence.
like to I like to watch that kind of TV series where is the dynasties. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's such a
Yeah.
good show. I love it. It's one
Just
of my favorite.
yeah, just like a Game of Thrones. So yeah. Okay. So
And Lucifer. I recommend Lucifer. Such a
Lucifer,
great
Lucifer. Yeah,
show.
yeah. I heard the name, and I at least his TV series also books, is it?
I didn't know that there were books. There
Okay.
are books.
Uh,
I don't know if there's books,
okay.
but
Okay.
it's a TV show. It's on Netflix.
Yeah. So, did you watch during your childhood? Is the TV series name is Flash? The Flash.
Yes, I love The
You know,
Flash. I love it.
I still watch this TV series. During my childhood and when I was in college and still I used to watch all the time. When I came to the college and watch it, the Flash. What will happen? What will happen? This Sylvester. That kind of character.
And do you watch the recent, like the live action, the Flash TV show
No, no,
on Netflix?
no, no, no. I didn't watch.
Okay, it's so good. You should
Yeah.
try it. I think it's on Netflix. It's the live action TV series, The
Okay.
Flash. Very
Okay.
good. And Supergirl. I love Supergirl.
Yeah. That's like a super girl as well. Okay. So yeah, and
And
yes, go ahead.
no, go ahead. Go ahead.
So I don't have any questions to ask you. Yeah, and which Hollywood movies do you want to recommend me? Actually, I used to a lot of watch Hollywood movies, but in this particular lockdown and it's the COVID-19 situation, which movie do you want to recommend me that it's a totally scary movie?
Scary. Okay. Well, first, if I have to recommend my favorite, I don't know if it's scary. It was scary when I was a kid, but Jurassic Park is my favorite
Yeah.
movie of all time.
Oh, no.
But
We are all similar,
but scary,
We
scary, I would recommend Amityville Horror.
okay.
That would be a good show. But listen, unfortunately, I have another reservation in a minute. Um,
Okay.
I know that our time will be cut just a little bit short,
Don't
but
don't mind.
hopefully we can have another reservation
Yeah.
and we can talk longer.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Would that be okay with you?
Okay. Don't worry. I don't mind.
Okay. Well, it was really nice to meet you. I hope that I will talk to you again.
Okay. And
Do you have me scheduled again
yeah,
later?
yeah. I will. Okay. And
Okay.
thank you for talking with me today.
Absolutely.
Okay.
It was awesome talking to you.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.